Today we will be having a guest, Kiran. She will be showing us how to make Gujarati style rotis.
For making Gujarati Style Rotis, we need 1 cup of wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and half a cup water. Extra wheat flour for rolling the rotis. First we are preparing the dough for rotis. Take flour, add 1.5 tablespoon of oil, half a cup of water and salt. Mix this well and knead for 2 minutes. It is kind of hard, so add a little more water and knead until the dough becomes soft. Now the dough is soft and perfect. Add the remaining oil and knead it for a minute. Leave it for 5 minutes and then make rotis. Turn on the heat for medium high and let the skillet get heated. Take this much dough and make it a ball. Dip the ball in the flour and roll it to round rotis. Roll it into small rotis and make it as thin as this one. Then put it on the hot skillet. Once you see the bubbles, turn to the other side. Now we are getting the bubbles on this side too. Turn to the other side and pat it with paper or cotton towel. So we will get puff rotis. Once it is puffed up, take out immediately. Repeat the same procedure to make other rotis. Once 2 rotis are done, put a little ghee on one of the rotis and spread it on the 2 rotis. This will keep rotis soft and also store it in a closed container.
Gujarati style rotis are ready now. Thank you, Kiran, for sharing it with us. And eat it with sabjis or anything. And make sure you store it in the closed container. It will be soft for another 2 to 3 days. And I hope you enjoy this. Thank you. Thank you.